Start by tucking the carpet fibers and taping the carpet edge before you touch any paint. Begin by using a stiff putty knife or a flat steel tool to push the carpet nap under the base of the baseboard so the carpet edge sits tight and will not catch paint. Next, apply painter's tape along that tucked carpet edge with firm pressure to seal paint lines. Use a tape designed for delicate surfaces to avoid adhesive transfer to fibers. After the carpet tape is set, run tape along the drywall or wall edge above the baseboard to protect the wall finish and create a crisp top line. Inspect the baseboard for holes, gouges, or nail pops and fill them with a quality wood filler or paintable caulk. Let dry fully, then sand smooth with fine grit sandpaper and remove dust with a tack cloth. Wipe the baseboard clean with a damp microfiber cloth or a trisodium phosphate substitute if greasy. Let it dry completely before painting. Use a high-quality angled sash brush for edges and a small roller for flat areas. Apply thin, even coats and allow full dry time between coats to prevent lap marks. Common mistakes include taping the wall first, which traps carpet fibers and causes paint bleeds, so always tuck the carpet and tape the carpet edge before taping the wall. Another frequent issue is failing to fill and sand imperfections, which makes them more visible after painting, so take the extra 10 to 15 minutes to fill, sand, and clean the surface thoroughly. A third problem is removing tape too late or too early, which either peels fresh paint or leaves a jagged line. So remove the tape when the paint is tacky but not fully cured, pulling back at a shallow angle along the line you created. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like baseboard painting and general trim work, and we make it easy to post your project and see responses from tradespeople in your area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and compare contractor experiences so both homeowners and contractors can find opportunities and information.